Hi, my name is Cassie. I have a master's degree in pharmaceutical science with multiple specialties in cannabis and CBD as medicine. So I just kind of wanted to explain the answer to this question because it's kind of intertwined weird. Okay, let me flip this. Okay, so this is the list of controlled substances in alphabetical order that you can download off of the DEA's website. And I'm just using this as an example. So the very first thing that's on here is methanone. Everything that's in front of methanone is the chemical makeup of methanone. So that defines what is methanone, right? It's a definition. When we get to these pages where we have marijuana, marijuana and marijuana extract have no chemical definition. They're not defining them as anything. It just says marijuana, cannabis, marijuana. Okay, so this is the Agricultural Improvement Act of 2018, which was an addendum to the 2014 Farm Bill. So I'm going to just explain this to you really quickly. So the term industrial hemp means the Cannabis sativa L plant. Cannabis sativa L is the botanical description of all cannabis plants. So the family is Cannabaceae, the genus is Cannabis, the species is Cannabis sativa L, and then there's subspecies Indica and Sativa and Ruderal. But the species is all the same, and that's Cannabis sativa L. So all cannabis plants are Cannabis sativa L, and according to the Agricultural Improvement Act, those Cannabis sativa L plants, or all Cannabis sativa L plants, are considered industrial hemp. In Texas, hemp means the plant, Cannabis sativa L, any part of that plant, including the seeds of the plant, all the derivatives, extracts, cannabinoids, isomers, acids, salts of isomers, whether growing or not, with a delta-9 tetrahydrocannabinol concentration of not more than 0.3% on a dry weight basis. Okay, so let me explain this. This and this are roughly the same size. This doesn't weigh very much. This does. So we are not talking about 0.3% of the product as a whole. We're talking about the weight, the mass of the product. So if I take this little peanut butter nugget and I put it on a scale, it is 7 grams by weight. So 0.3% of that would be 21. So I can put 21 milligrams of delta-9 THC in this candy. So, and it qualifies underneath the Agricultural Improvement Act as hemp because it is made from the Cannabis sativa L plant. So delta-9 is what is legal in Colorado, California, New Mexico, Oklahoma, Washington, Oregon, other states like that. It is the same exact thing, okay? There's not a difference between hemp and marijuana. Those are two legal definitions for the same exact plant. In Texas, we have industrial hemp, and we can sell products that are 100% legal. They are the same products that you're buying in a legal state. We just have to market them as industrial hemp derived. So these products will say derived from hemp. They look exactly the same as what you would buy in another state, in a legal state. We have QR codes, all of the things. We just cannot exceed more than 0.3% on a dry weight basis. So currently in Texas, we're going through our legislature, and our current representatives are attempting to make all of this illegal because they did not intend to legalize marijuana, which they did not do. They legalized Cannabis sativa L, which is hemp, and hemp and marijuana are both the same plant. I hope that that makes sense. That's what we're fighting about. We do not have marijuana in Texas, we have hemp.